Welcome to Greece. I'm in this beautiful island of Amorgos and it is amazing here. One of the things that I've loved in Greece is the beaches, the food, the people. With people, you also get great learning. One of the things that I loved and I learned this trip was about how to sell. Now, I was with my friends at a restaurant and we were not really in the mood to order a lot of food. We just went there for a coffee. The waiter there came, sat next to us, gave us free shots and had a shot with us as well and started asking us where are we from, how many days we are here in Amorgos and how much we're enjoying here. And soon we built a certain kind of friendship with him. And then he started suggesting us, try this food, try that food, try the cheese, try the tomatoes, try the salad, try the meat. And before you know, we ordered everything and we ate them all. The food was delicious, but it needed some convincing. And later I was thinking, how did he convince me to buy food or order so much food when I was not even hungry? He built trust, he built a friendship with us. And that's the one easy but essential trick of pitching and storytelling that we sometimes forget, making that connection, that rapport with your consumers, with your customers. And that's one secret trick I learned in Greece and I wanted to share with you. So next time you're in Amorgos, try the food here, try the beaches here, and trust me, you will learn one or two new techniques of storytelling just like I learned. Try this and let me know. If you like this video, do subscribe to my newsletter. I share monthly tips and tricks on storytelling, on pitching, and trust me, those newsletters, you will love it.